How's it going? What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. Now today we are doing another unboxing video. As I said in my Joker my Joker video that I did, my Hillbilly Level 5 watches the new Joker movie of 2019. So we have with me, I might as well say it now, I ended up getting a new phone the other day. I got the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is a sort of plastic that doesn't open, so I'm just going to go and grab my unboxing knife. Okay, we're doing it live, guys, so we're doing it live. Let's do it. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to just cut into this thing and then just do that. Okay. Right, here we go. Now, one of the big things about Samsung phones, I just revealed what it was, so yeah. One of the big things about Samsung phones is the unboxing experience. Now, this is just all paperwork and stuff. They're not really anything too important. Let's do that. Open up the paper. See if we can do that. Just open up the paper. Can we do that? There we go. That should be opened up nice. That should open up nicely. Okay. I'll just put this knife. I'll put this knife aside. Be careful. Caution. Be careful. Around knives if you're underage. Also, get an adult to do that for you if you do come across a knife, okay? And you do want to unbox something, then it's always a good idea to get an adult to do it for you, because I know these kids think they're responsible, but really they're not. They'll end up cutting one of their fingers off. Believe me, it hurts. I've had my finger, you know. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to unbox. I'm gonna unbox this this phone for you guys. That was really unsafe. But you know, that's all right. That's okay. I gotta calm down. I'm so excited about this new phone, guys. Okay, so straight up, right out of the box. Look at that, man. Oh, okay. There's the charger. Oh, they come with little Bluetooth headphones. I was hoping it was going to come with that, so pretty sick. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm just going to okay, so this is a really cool look. Look at that, guys. You can see yourself in there, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's like inner dimensions, you know. That's pretty sick. Pretty sick. Why would they put a plastic screen protector on the actual thing? Okay, so I'm probably not going to turn this on. It probably needs to be charged. I'm also going to need to get a screen protector for this as well. So, yeah, I will end up testing these in-ear headphones out. So I'm going to just turn this phone on. It should have at least some battery. That's at least what I know. So. It's a really sleek and sexy design. It's still got the headphone jack, guys. It's still got the headphone jack, if you can see that. I don't want to spit on this phone too much because it's relatively brand new. Is this got plastic on it? I don't know. Like, has it got plastic on it? Okay, I'll get to that later, but let's see if the phone actually turns on. Okay, there we go. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. That's the phone I ended up getting. Can't wait to get into this phone. But yeah, this is pretty sick. I have been waiting so long for this thing to arrive. I got this from the Telstra website as well. Yeah, that's Australia. Okay, check out some info and get started. User license agreement, private policy standing, probably, yeah, okay, end user, hang on, I don't want to end the user license agreement, no, what do I want to, yeah, I've read, bring your old data for a quicker setup, I would want to do it, wirelessly, for now. Okay, so it's got smart switch, which is cool. Bring your old settings first. Okay. Get connected. Oh, I forgot my, yeah, it can't connect. I forgot about that. Yeah, I'll skip this for now. I forgot my old Samsung phone doesn't work at all. So let's do the Telstra BD. Oh, I really don't want to do this right now because I don't know the password that well. But yeah, this is pretty much. It just asked me for the password to my internet, and I'm not going to tell you guys it because you'll be using my internet. Okay, so yeah, this is a pretty cool, pretty sleek and sexy looking phone, man. I cannot wait to use this, man. It hasn't got a case or anything. I've got a case coming, so I'm going to do an unboxing video of that as well. So, what I'm going to do is I'll just put this, somewhere safe where it won't get scratched or damaged. I'll just put it over here for now. Okay, so let's get to the other stuff, okay? Okay, so what we got here is a, I already have one of these, but it's good to have spares. This is the Samsung Galaxy, S8 sort of, no, I don't have this actually. This is the S8, no, the S10 5G charging cable. This is kind of cool. Really, really cool. Right, nice. This is really cool, really cool. I'll just put that aside for now. Okay, I have got, this is one of the coolest things. This is a little lightning charger dock here. It's also got the Australian plugs on it because, you know, why not? Okay, it's got these. This is for, this is for I think this is for connecting your old charger up to, I don't know. Yeah, that's what it's for, but okay, that's cool. Now, however, I think this does come with a SIM card in it, but I'm not too sure. So, I'm gonna go ahead and, see if I can take the SIM card out. Where the hell do you take, how the hell do you take the SIM card out of this? Okay, it's on the top, okay. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Right. If there is a SIM card in it, I won't be taking it out because, it's got a new plan in it and everything, so I'll take this out. Like that. I know, I'm checking the SIM card. No, it doesn't come with a SIM card. SWAT is, okay. Right, good. Okay, it doesn't come with a SIM card. So that's always good. That's alright, I'll just put that over here for now, and let's check out the Samsung AirPod things. I'll unbox them, and I won't give them a listen, but I'll put down in the comment section below what they sound like. There is a garbage truck outside. Okay. Alright, so, oh no, they're not wireless at all. They are not wireless at all. These are in-ear headphones. They aren't wireless, so that kind of sucks. But because I love Bluetooth headphones, because Bluetooth headphones are so cool. Okay. I'm stressing out a lot. If you know me personally, I do like to. Jesus, they did put a lot of effort into getting this stuff out, didn't they? Okay, so these are the headphones that you use. Okay, I was just gonna get them up here for you. There you go. There's the headphones you can put in there. Okay, I'll put everything behind the camera for now whilst I set up my phone. Okay. Now I think it came with a SIM card. I'm not too sure. I don't know. It might have come with a SIM card. It's application form, so not really anything important, nothing that you guys need to know. Nothing in here. Okay, so it looks like it didn't come with a SIM card, but that's okay. I have a SIM card in my old phone, or my iPhone 6. That's what I'm using as a spare phone right now. It's not what I'm recording on at the minute, but it's it's what's behind the camera right now. Okay, so this was, I think there might be some other things, so I'm just going to check. No. There isn't any other things. Actually, they usually keep things. I'm not going to end the video off because I think there might be some stuff underneath here. No, there isn't. Okay. Right. So, I've got a lot of junk to clean up, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you want to see any of my other unboxing videos, there will be a playlist right down there, so you guys can check those out if you want to. Over here, there will be a my channel icon, so you can subscribe if you are new. Also, if you do subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell, otherwise you won't see any of my videos. That's how YouTube is nowadays. I don't know why. Susan Wojcicki, what are you doing? Have no idea. Okay. But yeah, anyway, so that's how they operate things now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video with Hillboy5 Games. I'm Hillboy5 Games, of course, and stay scary, my friends. I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.